Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're ready. Open the repository root and check Git status so you don't overwrite work. Create a Gitignore file now with Touch. Gitignore or your editor and save it at the repository root. Start adding the first patterns, file names, directory paths, and extensions such as node modules / or asterisk. Log. Use negation carefully, for example. Keep me, txt to track a specific file while ignoring its folder. Once done, save the file and get ready to apply it. Now focus on precision. Write patterns using leading / for root paths and trailing / for directories so you don't accidentally ignore similarly named items elsewhere. Employ wildcards like asterisk, env or build / asterisk /. JS to cover many files in one rule. If you need to keep a file inside an ignored folder, prefix with to unignore it. Make incremental edits and save often. Once you've written rules, test them with git checkignore vfile. Finish by adding and committing the Gitignore so everyone shares the rules. Git add. Gitignore and in git commit'em add. Gitignore. If files remain tracked, remove them from the index without deleting them using git rm cached file or git rm r cached path, then commit. If something still goes wrong, run git checkignore to see which pattern applies. Remember that later rules override earlier ones and negations can restore files. Make sure to push changes so the team gets the update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.